there, welcome to Musings of a Nerd Scorpio unboxing video. This is my first one, so I'm not sure if I'm gonna do more like this, but stay tuned. So I want to start off by introducing the one I am doing today is from GraceGift. Label on the box. GraceGift is basically the website that gets circulated on Facebook like every now and then for Sailor Moon themed shoes. Literally, if you Google Sailor Moon shoes, that's the website that's going to show up. They also have like a Disney line, a princess Disney line, and a villain line, and they also have little baby girl shoes too. Get out! Out of the frame. Oh my gosh. Okay, so the shoe I purchased is called Sailor Moon Transformer Ribbon Casual Shoe. I know I keep on getting cut off. Ribbon Casual Shoe. So let's get started. Yeah. Okay. I already sprayed this. It came like, shipping was really fast on this. So it came really, oh goodness. Oh, look. Look at the box. It's so cute. Got a little pink themed shoebox, which I'm gonna save for the rest of my life. It's a little beat up. I'm kind of sad it's a little beat up, but this is their Sailor Moon Crystal collection line. Got different things. We have, it came with two different shoelaces. It came with a white and a blue. I guess a white and a pink. And I guess the pink is already installed on the shoe. Each shoe is in this cute little bag. Oh, it's so cute. I got these because I needed running shoes, or like exercise shoes, so I'm gonna get these to work out in. Oh my goodness. These are so cute. Yeah, so the shoelaces are they're like a ribbon. They are so cute. You can see it's got like this emblem right here. Her little compact. So cute. Well, that's it. Usually if you get from them early or like pre-order something, you get like free stuff in the box as well. I did not pre-order these. These have been out for a really long time, so I just got the regular. So that's it. They're so cute. There's a little Sailor Moon crystal on the inside as well. And in the back. Here's like a... Oh! So cute. Alright, well that's it. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye!